You're probably wondering, if you're a beginner right now, can I make passive income online? Am I even capable of doing that? Well, in this video, I want to tell you that you can and you have the ability to do that. And I'm going to be sharing with you some 5 different ways through which you can make some passive income in 2023. Now, these are ways that I have done myself. So these are not stuff that I'm just pulling from thin air. These are stuff that I've tried, stuff that I'm still doing right now that are making me money. If you don't know me, my name is Daniel. I've been a digital nomad for the past 2 years. I travel all over the world and I work while I do so. So these are things I've done that's allowed me to build this lifestyle that I have right now. So let's get right into it. The number one passive income idea that I want to recommend to you is digital arbitrage. Now, you may not know what that means. Now, digital arbitrage, when I think back, is the first way that I was able to make my first income online. And that is the process of finding a leverage between what you can offer and what other people need. Let's say you do a couple of outreach, you find a business owner who wants to build a website, but you don't have all of the tools to build that website, but you know someone who can build a website. What you do in that case is to tell this person that you can build them a website, then you collect the money from that project and you find someone who can actually build a website. Now, that is just one example. You can do this in several different industries: website design, social media marketing, social media management, logo design, whatever it is that someone needs to grow their business. You can apply digital arbitrage. I know people who run multi-6-figure digital marketing agencies off the back of digital arbitrage. If you have some type of outgoing personality and you can talk to local businesses, or you can talk to people who need some specific services, you can definitely profit from digital arbitrage by taking on this project and going on websites like Fiverr, Freelance to find someone who can execute on that project and deliver the final result. So digital arbitrage is definitely a way that I would recommend that you start out today if you're looking for a quick and fast way to start generating passive income online. Now, let's talk about the second passive income idea if you're just a beginner. This is one of my favorites, and that is digital products. Digital products is one of the most scalable, low cost, low overhead types of online businesses out there. And it doesn't matter what stage of your online business journey you are. Maybe you are a beginner or you're an advanced. It doesn't matter. Anyone can benefit from the digital product wave that is going on right now. The digital product industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and everyone right now is ditching the traditional school system and trying to learn something online because, one, it's cheap and you can get access to a wide range of information while not paying the same amount you would pay if you went to a traditional college. So if you have an idea, a specialized knowledge, or maybe something you're passionate about that you can teach other people, you can package this into a digital product and sell that to other people. Examples of digital products that you can start with today are: 1, digital products for people who have some type of advanced knowledge or maybe a specialized skill that you want to transfer to other people. The second one is templates. If you know how to design website templates, Notion templates, email templates, all of these things that other people can incorporate easily into their own business, then go ahead and do just that and sell those templates to other people who need them. The next one are PDFs. PDFs are a low cost, low overhead way of getting into the digital product space. You do not need to be an expert to create your first PDF. In fact, as long as you can take someone from point A to point B, as long as you can help them to solve a particular problem, you can package this into an ebook that you can sell to other people. And the good thing is, you don't even have to write this ebook yourself. If you go on websites like Exclusive Niches, you can find specialized ebooks on specialized topics that you can purchase for a very low cost and customize to your own specification and your own needs. And guess what? You can even brand these ebooks as your own, meaning you can put your name on it. You can sell them for whatever price you want. You can use them as a lead magnet to generate leads for your business. So these are ways for which you can start creating your own ebook PDF. Now, the next one is digital art. Digital art is a big thing right now, especially if you are someone who wants to sell on a platform like Etsy. With artificial intelligence platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, you can create digital art and sell on websites like Etsy. All you have to do is create an account, go on this platform, sign up, and start generating your digital art. In fact, if you're looking for a different way to do it, you can go on a website like Creative Fabrica, where you can purchase designs in pack for less than $10 and put the same designs on mugs, on t-shirts, on tote bags, on pretty much anything that can be sold online. You go ahead and list this product on Etsy and you can start generating income right away. Now, let's talk about the third passive income idea, which is affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is one specialized business idea that you need a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge to start. No, affiliate marketing is a very simple concept. Find a product that people are interested in, find other people who wants the same product, and be the link between the people and the product. And once you make a sale, you get a cut from it. I credit my lifestyle to living as a digital nomad, to starting an affiliate marketing business. And believe me, it wasn't easy at all. But once I got going, it was the best thing that I could have ever done. Of course, to start an affiliate marketing business, you need to know how to generate traffic and how to drive that traffic to that product. You may need to do this through starting a social media account, or you can do this by making content on YouTube. You can talk about them in videos such as this one, and when people find interest in it, they click on your personalized link, and when you make a sale, you get a cut from that sale. Now, speaking of content creation, that leads me to my fourth passive income idea, which is creating content online. Now, content creation is one of the best ways through which anyone can make passive income online. In fact, content creation has been deemed one of the fastest growing small business industries in the entire world across every sector. I started actively making content online about 3 years ago, and believe me, that was the best thing I could have done for myself, because after 6 months, I was able to quit my 9-to-9 soul-sucking sales job and focus full-time on my online business. And content creation was the one thing that allowed me to do that. Of course, this is going to take you some time. It may take you a few months, it may take you a year, but if you want to build a sustainable long-time business online, I still believe content creation is the best way to do it. And platforms like YouTube gives you a unique opportunity to get on that train. And of course, if YouTube is not for you, or maybe you think you can't be confident enough in front of the camera, or you have the gift of gab, then you can try out podcasting. Podcasting is still very much on the rise right now, and those who get in at the very beginning are going to be in for a long ride in the future. And if you think writing is where your gift lies, then I would recommend that you start a blog or you get started on a website like Twitter. Twitter is the platform for writers. If you know that you can write engaging content, I would say go on Twitter right now and start building an audience. I've seen people go from 0 to 10,000, 50,000, even 100,000 followers within a couple of months. You just have to pick what works for you. If it's video, YouTube. If it's writing, Twitter. If it's talking, the gift of gab, then I would say go for podcasting. Now, finally, let's talk about low content publishing as a means of passive income in 2023. Low content publishing is just the process of creating low content ebooks, low content materials such as diaries, journals, coloring books, and putting those content on Amazon's KDP platform. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and this is where Amazon allows anyone like you and I to sell either books, low content books like I've mentioned, and you can get the opportunity to be showcased on Amazon's massive global reach, where people can then find your product and hopefully purchase from you. Now, how do you create these types of low content materials? You can use a website like BookBolt. BookBolt allows you to create low content material using their platform by just paying a small fee every single month. They have templates that you can use. All you have to do is plug in your dimensions and pick from hundreds of templates that they already provide for you. After that, you download this material and upload on Amazon's KDP platform and start generating sales right away. So these are the ways to which I believe anyone, regardless of your experience level, can start generating passive income in 2023. You don't have to think this is for a certain group of people with a certain lifestyle or with a certain brain. This is for everyone. And if you find any value in this video, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions about everything I've talked about, leave them down in the comment section and I will be sure to get to them. Again, my name is Daniel and I hope to see you in the next video.